What can you do about Windows 10 being end of life? First of all, you can and should upgrade to Windows 11 as soon as possible. Obviously, that's if your hardware supports it and all your software is compatible with that. You can also replace the computer, obviously, if your hardware is too old, or if it's over 4 years old. A desktop and a laptop over 4 years old is usually recommended to replace. The speed and reliability you're going to get from a brand new computer compared to a 4-year-old computer is very high. Efficiency is going to skyrocket, and that's going to pay for itself within the first year usually. So if you're struggling upgrading to Windows 11, upgrade your whole computer, and you can and will get it with Windows 11 already. Make sure that you verify that it's Windows 11 Pro or Home, depends on what your needs are. That's a whole different webinar. You want to consider moving to the cloud, not for everybody, of course, but there are solutions from Microsoft, for example, a virtual desktop like Windows 365. Another thing that, and you can basically rent a virtual Windows 11 computer on the cloud, on the Microsoft cloud, as part of your Microsoft 365. It's like 30 or 40 or 50 bucks a month per computer. You get all the needed bells and whistles with it, and you don't have to buy a new physical piece of hardware. However, you can also move to a cloud server, a terminal server environment. And then what a lot of people choose to do is take their old physical computers. You don't want to keep them running Windows 10. So what most of our clients sometimes choose to do when they do go to the cloud is to keep the physical old hardware and reinstall the operating system. But instead of installing Windows, you can install a Linux or any other free operating system that is compatible with that hardware. And those are free operating systems, very secure, require very little maintenance, and just another solution out there. And of course, hybrid approach for gradual migration, it's another option. But point is, do something.